Good morning. I'm looking forward to opening this package because I got myself a electric pressure washer, and I'm really interested to see how well it works. And let's get to it. Watch out. Watch out. You're interested too, huh? Hey, I'll teach you how to use it, and you can do the work around here. Big box. I'm gonna hide in it. Big box with a smaller box. All kitchen knives are used for cutting boxes open. It's alive. It's alive. Hey, I got the boxes of bones for you already. That's in the back room. You're not gonna believe this. And another box. It's a pressure washer, an electric pressure washer. Ooh, a lot of styrofoam. Thingamajiggies. More thingamajiggies. Looks like a foamer. Nozzles. One of two pressure lines, probably. Here's the yeah, if I've got a flat on my car, I can always use these bad boys. And that's contents of the box. So I got the instruction user manual out of the bag, and I just grabbed some regular tools, pliers, Phillips screwdriver. You always need your power drill, and let's get going. Assembling the wheels is the first order of business. Ooh, that looks easy enough. Wow, lightweight machine. Let's see how well it works. Rolling down the highway. Woohoo! Alright, maybe on the patio, that's about it. Next step, assembling the accessories rack. Maybe I didn't need a screwdriver, you got one that comes with it. Where's the other bag? 4 screws, that's on the bottom, easy peasy so far. Screws. You know, I'm sorry, my patience is limited to it. The trick with this thing is not to put too much pressure on the thing. You gotta release right away. You'll strip the crap out of plastic. Plastic wasn't made for. And light touch. The rest I'll do by hand. Oh, it's a little loose. I was to show you I didn't want to tighten it too much. Plastic. needs it. Blocks that thing from coming apart. Now it's not going anywhere. Okay, I got it. So what were you saying?
It doesn't matter if it's lightweight as long as it's effective.
I agree. I know it's not going to be as strong as my full-size pressure washer gas. Lugging that thing out is a pain. That's why I wanted this small electric one. And we'll see how it gets the job done. We'll see. Okay, so the reel is on there. What's next? Something looks like it slides on this thing. Oh, this is for holding the gun. And this is definitely the way this is going. Okay, no screws required for that. Okay, now it's talking about the handle to make this. So it's the handle's got to go on this side. Looking right. Yeah, now it's looking correct. But let's feel it out. Let's feel it out. That's it. Okay. Well, then the next step would be doing this bad boy. And, oh! Okay. Hey, hey. Shut up! Hey! Okay. Voila. Boy, that was really difficult. Cap, cap, cap. Cap, cap. Boy, this doesn't get any simpler than on and off, huh? Wow. Oh, you push in and uninstall. Okay, let go. Okay, cool. So after assembling this electric pressure washer unit, the assembly was pretty easy, straightforward. Seems a little flimsy, small, and it's very small. My impression of it will really be made when I use it and see how strong it is and if it actually gets the job done. I reeled up the electric reel like this. That's probably what I would do with it. I guess that's what this little hoop is for. And would I wind up the hose reel like this when I'm done? If I used it only once or twice a year to keep everything together, yeah, I guess I would. Other than that, let's get pressure washing. we're going to try the wagon. As much as I try to pick up after these wonderful dogs, there's always something. Here we go. Switching to a different tip. The dog's wonderfulness is stuck to the tire real good. So, I switched to a very lightweight tip to clean these vegetable trays. Let's see how well it does. I don't want to destroy them. They're very lightweight. Oh, that's good. So if I had to say anything about the usage of that small pressure washer, yeah, it definitely gets the job done. I wouldn't recommend it for doing patios or strong things. It's not made for doing a tractor trailer. But for around the house, it's about the weight of a vacuum cleaner, and it really gets the job done. Save the big jobs for a full 3200 PSI gas pressure washer. But for any household to get some small jobs done, it definitely works.